welcome to my first video on the Nails with Mandy channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a New Year's nail set I've done. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I'm starting out with using the Beetles Base Gel. And cure it. Every nail is going to have a different design, but all of them are going to be black except for the middle finger. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint all of these nails black with the Beetles gel polish. Then we're going to cure the first coat and do a second coat and then cure that as well. Now we're getting into the more fun part. We get to start the designs. So for the thumbnail, I'm going to be using a Born Pretty gel polish. It's kind of a gold sparkle. So what I'm going to be doing is just kind of uneven lines along the tip of the nail. It's kind of hard to describe, but you'll see what I'm talking about once I finish it. And since this isn't a very pigmented gel, I am going to do 2 coats. And there we have the first nail done. We just have to add the top coat. Once again, I'm using the Beetles top coat and then obviously cure that. On to the second nail, I'm just going to start out with choosing a couple star charms. And then I'm going to be using some top coat to glue them on. I'm also taking some little tiny golden balls I got in a charm kit along with some flower charms, and I'm just putting them around the stars. Then cure it so everything stays in place, and then go ahead and put the top coat on and it'll be all done. On to the middle nail. As you might remember, this is the one we did not paint black, and that is because we are just going to add a clear coat. Then we're going to dip it in some golden chunky sparkles. Cure that and then put a clear coat over it. Then we're going to buff it down so it's not all lumpy. Then put another clear coat over that. For the ring fingernail, this nail is not going to stay black because we are going to put some gold chrome over it. I don't know about you guys, but I always think it is so satisfying when I'm applying chrome to my gel nails. After all of that, we're going to put some rhinestones on. So I'm going to do a big one in the middle. Then on both of the sides, I'm going to add a small round one. Then after that, an even smaller round one on each side. Just like I do with the charms, I also stick the rhinestones on using clear gel polish and then curing it, and then I go over it the whole nail with a top coat again. Finally, for the pinky, I have some foil out here. I'm going to be using some gold foil, and it also has a little bit of blue to it. I don't know if you can see on the camera or not, but there's a little bit of blue to it. And I'm just going to apply it kind of diagonal across my nail. Kind of starting out with a lot and then ending with just a little bit. And it's kind of hard to explain, but you'll kind of see what I'm doing. And there we have it. They are all done. Now I just prepped my nails off camera, but I'm going to show you how I apply them just really quickly on camera. So I use the McCart nail glue, and here I am just applying them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy holidays!